What's up guys, this is your man GidK once again. Today's video, I want us to quickly unbox this new microphone I picked up for myself. Yes, by the grace of God, we've been able to purchase a microphone. So you'll be seeing more content on this channel often. Yes, due to the lack of our microphone, we've not been producing content for some time now. Yes, so join me, let's open this bad boy here and let's see what's inside the box. So let me go for my knife, then let's give it, let's see. Okay, so this is the QY88 wireless microphone. Yes, upon doing a little research, I got to know that this is a bit okay since we can't purchase the DJI microphone or Holy Land. Yes, this is close to, professional. Yes, so how do we even open this box? Yes, if you open the box for the first time, this is what it looks like, or this is what comes in it. So firstly, let me put the knife somewhere. Put this here. So firstly, you get your microphone first. This will prevent those high pitch sound from your voice, the pop pop. Yes, this will prevent it from entering your microphone. Yes, and it makes it look nice as well. So let's put those ones here, and then let's take the real deal. Yes, good. But before we get into that, I'm seeing some little box over here. I'm sure that is the charging cable. Yes. Okay, so you get a type C to normal USB charger. Yes, all you need is your head. Good. I'll put this one here, and then the main guy for today. I'm seeing a manual inside too. So this manual will guide you on how to use this wireless microphone perfectly. But most of the time we don't even read it. Yes, but it's very necessary. Sometimes we might do it the wrong way. Yes, but let's put this here, and then let's open up this bad boy. So you get a charging case. Yes, to also protect your microphone. You get two wireless microphones. Let me put this down. So this is a magnet that will help you to attach it to your dress. Yes, so you can speak freely. Yes, so you get two microphones. This is the charging port. You get two microphones and then two receivers. That's one thing I like about this microphone. So you get an Apple or iPhone receiver, and then you get an Android. So if you are using a Samsung, you can also purchase this microphone. Let me take out the two and then put them side by side. Yes, so this is how it looks like. Good. Yeah. Yes, and this is the other microphone too. So if you are doing a podcast, an interview, you can give one to your partner so that you can also record. And this is the charging slots for the keys. So if it goes low, you just put it inside and then you charge it. Yeah, I would say for the price, the build quality is very strong. I'll be doing a test very soon, so you see how it performs when it's being turned on. Yes, but this is what you get. You get the keys, the two fur, and then this is what it looks like. Yeah, let me see if we can attach the fur to it. It's magnetic, so I think the moment you draw closer to it, it just snaps on. Yeah, okay, so this is how it looks like. Yes, so you just remove the magnet and then you clip it to your dress and then you are good to go. Yeah, So I'll do a test for you guys very soon. Alright guys, so this is the raw audio. This is how it sounds without a microphone. Yes. Hello, 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 hello. Yes. That's how the raw audio sounds like. Directly from the iPhone camera. Yes, this is how it sounds like. So I'm going to plug in the microphone and then you see the difference. Yes, this unfiltered sound, very raw. All right guys, so I just plugged in the microphone. Yes, so let's see how it sounds like. I'm recording directly on my phone. Yes. Hey. Yes, so guys, let me know what you think about this microphone and then the performance in the comment section. Yes, so as I talked about earlier on, this is the the magnet, so you can clip it to your outfit and it will be this way. What's up guys, it's your man GidKay once again. Today's video I'm going to talk about how to shoot with high-speed sync. Yes. All right, so that was just a test video. Yes, so this is how it looks like. It's very nice. And this is the other microphone too, so you can attach it. Yes, mostly I like using the fact that they added this fur as something that makes it interesting for me, because most of the times when you are recording you hear that sound, that high pitch. Yes, it hits the microphone and you can see that the audio is very raw, but this is going to filter it a little for you. Yes, so that's it for today. Yes, I'll be using it consistently in my videos, so I'm sure if you are not finding the result you're looking for in this video, I'm sure in my future videos you see how the sound quality is. Yes, and I'm urging you to get one for yourself. It's going to help you if you're a content creator, if you're a lifestyle vlog. Is it vlogger? Yes, let me put it that way. If you do podcast, street squeeze and all that, yes, this mic is for you. Looking at the budget, I think for $38 you're going to get one for yourself. If you're in Ghana, Accra here, 350 cedis. Yes, so under 400 cedis you can get yourself a decent microphone that looks professional like this. Yeah, so this is your man GidKay once again, and peace out.